Good afternoon. This is Philip Strebel, Senior Commodities Broker at R.J.O. Futures, giving you your weekly metals commentary here for Wednesday, December 10th. First of all, it's freezing cold in Chicago, so I have my nice R.J.O. Futures fleece jacket on here. And then the second thing, looking at the metals markets, metals across the board significantly stronger. The only ones that are slightly weak is the palladium market. It's keeping an eye on the S&P 500, but palladium has looked really quite well recently. So it had a sharp reversal to the upside, as most of the metals do. The only one, in my opinion, that's really broken out to the upside has been copper. It's had this classic pattern where, it's cycled for several months, pushed back to the upside, consolidated, and then has this breakout level that's over 325. So triggered a lot of trend traders to the long side. A lot of the longer term players are looking at that. Also, the fundamentals starting to get a little bit better for copper. You've got some better economic data in China, which had drove that up. It's eaten a little bit of the supplies, but that's pretty much about it. If you look at things like gold, silver, big rush upwards today. So some of the headlines we saw on Kitco today was that, dollar weakness, not a very good fundamental reason for gold to just be going up. There was a lot of talk also that some of the doubters that the Fed, their tapering policy would work. I think that the policy is going to work. At least it needs to have us stand on our own 2 feet. I don't know how long that'll last. You'll probably start to see the S&P start to fall a little bit, and I think that that's what's truly going to start to bid gold up. Also, as the economy does get better, you'll see people start to buy some of these physical metals like gold and silver. So gold, I think, really, we got to be above this 1275 level. That'll start to trigger some of the trend traders to the upside. I think silver over 2050. Those are some more confirming levels above some major moving averages to move up. You'll look at palladium again, 745, and then platinum. Platinum's got a ways to go. We got to get over 1415. We didn't see any kind of problems in South Africa. Nothing with the electrical systems in there with regards to the mining or anything. Mining operations been pretty good. Gold, when you get down to that 1200, you got to really take a look at it, because that's the level that some of these major mining companies like Barrick Gold comes out and they start to warn that they may have to cease production at some of their non-profitable mines at those levels, and that's what kind of tends to rebound it up. So anywhere near that 1200 for bottom pickers, that's kind of the level you want to look at. One last thing here, if you want one of these snazzy commodity trading calendars, just give me a buzz, shoot me an email, and give me your mailing address. I'll send one out to you. My number here, 1-800-438-4805. Remember that futures and option trading involves risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.